Hello and welcome back to the Horizon Explorers. I am Sadesh and I'll be taking you on a journey to meet with Nobu-san. I'm currently in Atlantis the Royal, as you can see. Today is going to be an extraordinary day and I would love for you to come with me. So hope you enjoy the video. So I had a lot of fun in Atlantis the Royal. I walked around a little, as that's exactly what I'm doing right now. We're gonna go to Nobu now, so come along with me and hope you enjoy the rest of the video.